Good morning, students. In our today's class, we will discuss the another compound of nitrogen, which is given in our syllabus. And this another compound of nitrogen is compound of nitrogen. Compound of nitrogen, and that is HNO3. HNO3. This HNO3, name of this HNO3 is nitric acid. That is nitric acid. Now we just see that nitrogen form the oxo acids. Nitrogen forms the oxo acids. Nitrogen forms the oxo acids. It means when nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen are present in these compounds, they are known as oxo acids. It means H2, N2, O2. Another oxo acid we have HNO3, that is HNO2, that is HNO3. So these three oxo acids are there. Name of these oxo acids hyponitrous, that is hyponitrous acid. Name of this hyponitrous acid. The HNO2 is known as nitrous acid, that is known as nitrous acid. HNO3 is nitric acid. HNO3 is nitric acid. HNO3 is nitric acid. Structures of these acids are present in this manner. Nitrogen, nitrogen, double bond is there, and with this single bond attached with the OH group in hyponitrous acid. In nitrous acid, oxygen, double bond, nitrogen, oxygen attached with the nitrogen here with a single bond, and nitrogen attached with another oxygen here with a double bond. So that is the structure. In case of nitric acid, we have this condition there. In this nitrogen, we have positive charge there because it is donating the electrons there to the oxygen. So that is the nitric acid condition there. Now about the preparation of this nitric acid. Preparation of nitric acid. How we prepare this? Preparation of nitric acid. Preparation. In the preparation method of nitric acid, sodium nitrite reacts with H2SO4. H2SO4. When we heat the solution of this component, we get the sodium hydrogen sulfate plus HNO3. So that is the general method of preparation of HNO3. Another process, industrial process, that is known as Ostwald process. That is known as Ostwald process in the preparation of nitric acid, where we react the ammonia with the oxygen for ammonia gas with oxygen gas, and this reaction takes place there at the 500 Kelvin temperature, and we get the product NO and H2O. For NO and H2O there, for NO and H2O there. Then this reaction will continue and this NO2, when this NO2 reacts with H2O gas, then we get the 2HNO3 plus NO, 2HNO3 plus another product which we have is NO gas there, HNO3 plus NO we get there. So this is the method through which we forms the nitric acid in that particular context. Now structure of HNO3, what kind of structure of this HNO3 molecule is? Structure of HNO3, just see structure of nitric acid. In this we have this kind of structure: oxygen, then nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen. Nitrogen is the central atom, bond angle 102 degree is present there, and the distance is 140.6 picometer, 140.6 picometer present in this molecule. Nitric acid is a hybrid of the following two structures. It is the hybrid of following two structures. Hybrid of following structures. This is the hybrid of following structures. In this what condition we have? HO, nitrogen, double bond oxygen, single bond oxygen. You know that generally we have the 6 electron valency there on the oxygen, but here we have more than this. So this kind of charge is present there in this particular structure. The another structure which we have in this, the reverse of the double bond is present. HO N plus, single bond oxygen, 6 electrons, they are negative charge. Double bond oxygen, 4 electrons are present there. So these are the resonating structures of HNO3. Resonating structures of HNO3. Resonating structures of HNO3. Nitric acid has the following resonating structures. Resonance is present there in this structure. Okay, we will continue with the topic in another class. Thank you.